Welcome to XREX Walkthrough. I'm Fred, and today I'm going to walk you through grid trading on XREX. Now, we all know that XREX now has spot trading, we have a 1x margin short feature, and now we are introducing grid trading. So put all these together, we are actually giving you a whole suite of tools and strategies for you to trade efficiently. So what is grid trading? Simply put, it is by placing multiple grids between two price limits and executing buying and selling every time the price hits a certain point. So basically you can just let a grid run on its own and just go to sleep actually, or do your own things and just come back occasionally to check how your grid bot is doing. So without further ado, let's jump right into how do we do grid trading on XREX. So let's get started. First, load up your XREX app, and to find grid trading, you can simply tap on the banner that you see on the home page, or go to Trade page and go to Grid Bot. Now we see that we have no grid bot running here, so we will create a new bot. Now there are two modes of grid trading on XREX. One is called the Smart Bot, and the other one is the manual mode. So let's start with the Smart Bot first. So as the name implies, the Smart Bot actually automatically provides you certain parameters based on 21 days of backtesting. So you can just take these parameters that are recommended by the bot and simply take a look at the price range. Okay, this is recommended by the bot, the number of grids, the profits per match, meaning that every time a bot buys at a price and later on sells at a price, this is the range of the profit that it will make within that grid. Okay, so that's all you have to do on the Smart Bot. So the next thing that you have to do on the Smart Bot is to input the price that you want to place for this bot. So let's say I put $200 in, and I'll create a bot right here. And you can review the details of your bot. So the trading pair is BTC USDT, initial position, how much BTC is it in, the price range, the number of grids that it will create, the quantity, and the profit per match. And the amount here, as we have input earlier on, is 200 USDT. So once you are done with that, you're happy with that, click confirm. And our bot is up and running. So give it a while it calculates and start placing the order. Okay, so now that we have placed the bot, you see that it's running already. It's perfectly normal to see that the bot is in red for a couple of seconds because of the fees that are placed on the grids. But you can take a look at the details here of your bot, perfectly transparent here, and how many orders have been placed, and we have a flat fee of 0.05% per order. So every buy and sell is a 0.05% fees. So it's really low fees compared to what we are seeing out in the market elsewhere, right? Okay, so once you are done, just leave it and let it do its work. And every time the price hits your buy order, it will execute a buy amount. Every time it hits a sell price, it will execute a sell amount, and it will keep going all the way as long as the price of BTC is within the price range. Okay, what we've just seen is the Smart Bot feature, which is what we think is perfectly suitable for novice traders or people who just want to let the bot run on its own and don't want to fret too much about setting up a bot. But we also do have a manual feature, and for this demo purposes, I will be copying these parameters to the manual mode. As you can see the text in blue over here, I'll copy these parameters. Okay, so now that we have copied the parameters over to the manual bot, you can see that the price range is from what the Smart Bot has recommended. But before that, you can also choose your pair here. So right now we only offer BTC and ETH USDT pairs. And also you can select your grid strategy, which is a long and short strategy, but currently we only have long strategy. Short will be available soon. Okay, so let's say I don't want this price range. I want, let's say, 29,000 instead. So I'll key in 29,000 and then followed by the number of grids. So the number of grids, I can, instead of 13 grids, I can choose 20 grids instead. So keep in mind that the more grids that you have within a price range, the smaller each buy and sell order becomes. So the number of trades actually increases a lot within this price range. So it will be buying and selling within this grid. So you can imagine, compared to 10 grids, 20 grids will be trading much more and much higher frequency than 10 grids. Okay, so it's that simple. And the profit per match actually changes when you increase the number of grids, because then the profit will actually be smaller because the price range is the same, but then you have more number of trades in between this price range. So the profit per match actually lowers when you increase the number of grids. Okay, so after you're done setting the number of grids, you can even go further by going to the advanced setting, where you choose arithmetic mode or the geometric mode. And also you can select when you want to start the bot at what price, what is the trigger price when this bot becomes active. And also we have a terminate bot option, where you can set your stop loss price and also your take profit price. So there you go. Okay, so now we are happy with our settings. All we have to do now is to input the amount that we want to place in this bot. So let's say $200. Okay, create now. Review your settings here. Confirm all the settings for your bot. If all is good, just hit confirm and your bot is being created. And there you go, it's super easy. Your bot is created, and just let it run for a while. So now that we have created our bot, let's talk about how to close your bot. Let's say that you are done taking your profit, you are happy with how the bot has performed for you, or the market has gone in a different direction that you have anticipated and you want to close your bot. So closing your bot, there are a couple of things to take note. So coming to your grid bots here, you see what are the bots that are available here, and then you select the bot that you want to close. For us, we only have one, so let's close this one. Now, when you select to close your grid bot, there are a couple of things to take note of and a couple of options. So one is that you sell all the BTC at market price. So what a grid bot does is that it holds your USDT that you have placed in the grid bot, and then it buys at certain prices. So along the way, it would have accumulated some BTC and also some USDT that are from unplaced orders, right? So when closing a grid bot, you can choose to sell all the BTC that the bot has bought, and you also take back your USDT, of course. The other option is to keep all the BTC and take back your USDT. So all the BTC that the bot has bought, you think that BTC is going to the price is going to increase in the future. You want to keep them, and you just want to take back your USDT. That's fine as well. We have that option. Or you can sell. You can choose to sell your BTC at a limit price. So you can also set the BTC to be sold at a certain price instead, and instead of holding them in your wallet. So there's a whole lot of things you can do when you close your bot. So options are available for you. So pick one that you are happy with. For me, I'm going to sell all my BTC at market price when I close my bot. So I select this option and I hit confirm. And there you go. So the bot has successfully closed, and it has sold all your BTC at the current market price, and you have no more bots running. So it's that simple. So there you have it. That is our demo on the grid bot on XREX. As you can see, it's a super easy function to use, be it for a novice trader using the smart bot, or if you're an experienced trader, you can use our manual bot. And yeah, it offers you a whole lot of flexibility to trade in different market conditions. Even if the market is going just sideways, just set your limit and just let the bot run. Or even if the market is going upwards or downwards in the future, where we have the short feature for grid bot trading, you can do that as well. So yep, there you have it. We hope that you have enjoyed this video and you have learned how to create your bot. And if you like what you've seen, open your XREX app and create your first bot today.